Good morning. Oh, it's a bit cold today. It's a beautiful day.
Coffee pot.
How you do it? You have this kind of antique coffee pot, or just old? And we're just gonna heat it up. Got a lot. That's enough, I guess. Oh, no. That's good na daw. Right here.
Hand it to me, please.
The outside shower is also useful for doing dishes.
What are you crying about? You just washed the dishes, now you're gonna make them dirty again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What a life.
Listen to you.
I think these like a lot. Oh, I need the wait
The what? Trash?
trash bag. But later I'll take care of it.
Here. That's good.
You like garlic?
No. I like it in Italian foods, that's about it. You know, like pasta, tomato sauce, spaghetti. All that stuff requires garlic, but everything else, you know, a little bit goes a long way.
Do you like that? Mix together. Dishes na naman. Okay.
Try taking a shower till we have a full tank of gas. Water. Breakfast time. My wife has prepared eggs with tomato and onion, bacon, and rice. We have fresh coffee, so we're good. So we've tested out everything in the camper now. We have hot water, propane, stove. Even the heater came on by itself this morning and warmed us up. I'd never even used it or set it before, but it came on by itself, which was somewhat odd. It woke me up.
Because you're like shivering or something.
No, it got very cold last night.
I see.
Now we're heading home to Las Vegas. After we got home, I raised the front of the truck so I could drain out the rest of the water from the freshwater tank. We had already dumped the black and gray tanks on the way home at an RV park here in Vegas. This way we can start our next trip with fresh water. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, keep it real.